looking at herself in the mirror.
Who else was living in the castle?
Well,
The others in the castle were the small prince, Queen Mummy, and King Daddy.
that's right. They were living there as well.
Did King Daddy have a big tummy?
Of course not. He was very handsome. Like me. Anyway, there was also a dragon.
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Oh yes, it wasn't a dragon. It was a dinosaur. Living outside was a huge, fierce dinosaur.
Oh dear, maybe the dinosaur wasn't quite that fierce, Daddy Pig.
Sorry, George. No, the dinosaur was very gentle. It ate lots of crumbs.
Daddy Pig!
Oh, sorry, I was being the dinosaur.
Daddy, why is the princess called the Sleeping Princess?
I'm coming to that. You see, the sun set, and the stars and moon came, and everyone got very sleepy. But the most sleepy of all was the sleepy princess. Peppa, are you sleepy?
No, Daddy, I am not sleepy at all.
But somebody is.
George, wake up. You'll miss the end of the story.
Well, Peppa might not be sleepy, but the sleepy princess certainly was. Looking at herself all day in the mirror had completely worn her out. Let's carry you to bed.
Right. That's
The
another
sleepy princess was so sleepy, she had
Nice to meet you.
fallen fast asleep.
Talk to the camera. Hey.
Thank you for that story, King Daddy.
You're welcome, Queen Mother.
I'm going to talk to me. She's too focused.
Prince and Princess enjoyed it too.